Yeah, next up, we've got something rare and very unique for you. This Timex World Time piece. The standard feature here is the World Time function. The red hand tracks GMT 7 Plus, which is Vietnam time, following Bangkok time as the reference. With the pushers, you can easily scroll through the cities like Hong Kong, Tokyo, Sydney, and New Zealand. Each step forward adjusts the time zone, and the indicator near 10 o'clock shows whether that city is in day or night, which is super practical. The further more move across the time zones, the clearer you see how they turn into night, a very cool and intuitive system. Honestly, this is one of the most interesting world time mechanisms I've seen all year. The case size is 44 millimeters, so it has strong wrist presence. On my 16 wrist, this is how it looks. Still clean and classy. Yeah, you're seeing the size, but I say like 16.5 and up will wear it best. Yeah, yeah, it's on my hand now. The strap is original Timex, long and comfortable. The second hand carries the T logo, a nice signature detail, while the hour hands has a vintage inspired shape that gives the watch real character. Flip it over and you'll see Timex like 1854, 1854, a true American heritage brand. This watch is perfect for anyone who travels frequently, works with international clients, or just want a watch that reflects a global professional lifestyle. If you are into the functional watches with personality, this one is a absolutely worth adding to your collection. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Very nice, right? Very cool.